Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our journey back in time. Today, we're going to explore the iconic Ford Mustang, the legendary muscle car that revolutionized the automotive industry. So, buckle up and get ready for a ride through history. In 1964, Ford introduced a car that would change the automotive landscape forever: the Ford Mustang. This sleek and stylish vehicle captured the hearts of car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike, becoming an instant classic. The 1964 Mustang boasted a timeless design that blended sportiness with elegance. Its long hood, short deck, and aggressive stance turned heads wherever it went. The flowing lines and iconic Mustang emblem embodied power and freedom. Under the hood, the Mustang offered a range of powerful engines, from the base 170 cubic inch six-cylinder to the top-of-the-line 289 cubic inch V8. It provided an exhilarating driving experience and set the stage for the era of the American muscle car. The Mustang quickly gained popularity, starring in movies like Bullitt and Gone in 60 Seconds, solidifying its status as a cultural icon. It became a symbol of independence, adventure, and the open road. To this day, the Mustang continues to have a dedicated and passionate fan base. Classic car collectors and enthusiasts cherish the 1964 Mustang for its timeless design and its role in automotive history. Over the years, the Mustang has evolved, embracing modern technologies while staying true to its heritage. Today, the Mustang lineup offers a range of models, from the powerful GT to the electrifying Mach-E, catering to different tastes and preferences. But no matter the model or the era, one thing remains constant: the spirit of the Mustang. It's the embodiment of freedom, power, and the thrill of the open road. The Mustang continues to inspire drivers around the world and leaves an everlasting impression wherever it goes. And that concludes our journey through time with the legendary 1964 Mustang. Thank you for joining us on this nostalgic ride. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more automotive adventures, and share your love for the Mustang in the comments below. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams and embracing the spirit of the Mustang.